Jesse Rogerson in. Still a dick. Jesse Rogerson, a.k.a. Cat Hater, is one of the most evilest people in the Jesse? Look at you, helping out the world and making it a better place. And all you want is peace, eh? Shoulda known. Jesse Rogerson in the face of redemption. And check him out, everyone. Having fun the old-fashioned way, but not being a dick. But what about cats? Well, Jesse thinks that all cats are adorable, and why not? He's an adorable type of guy. And hey, check out that new mustache. Nice. Yes, Jesse's a world traveler, alright, and a great friend. But what do you want me to look at? What about this video? Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesse! No! It was him all along. Jesse. You dick.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what